I believe this is a very important message, and this is why I'm doing this. Some people follow Red, some people follow me, Julie, Susie, Narelle, Sherry, everyone. This is a very important message that we should be sharing with everyone, because these are Ash's words. So if you give me a second here, I'm going to read exactly what Ash said. I'm still getting questions about a lot of things, and that's okay. But maybe I can clarify as I read through what Ash Mufara typed to Red Redfern, which Red read aloud. We're all going to be saying the same thing, because we all have different people watching us. That's what I'm trying to say. Alright, let me do this. Let me switch it around. Good morning, everyone. I love you all. By the way, Ivana, thank you for the super sticker. Here, and all of you know I do appreciate that. And Brian and everyone else who does that stuff. I have no clue how to do it. And that's another question. I don't make any of those posts or posters either. Ivana or Brian, people sending me Bill Must, Minu Miller, thank you for sending me those. I don't have a clue how to make them. This is just my opinion. I'm waiting for what Ash has, and then I'll be blowing it up and learning everything. So it's gonna be fun. Alright, here we go. Let me start from the beginning on a few things. By the way, they should stop asking me about the application. It's over. You're not going to say, I'm sorry, because you can still get in under someone else. Alright, here we go. I had to say that. 1. Currently, the company is reviewing the applications and sorting out the reports. 2. Once we determine those priority placement positions. 3. We will keep you updated on the system in the ecosystem. It's very important. 4. Acceptance letters will start going out during, I believe, this upcoming week, is what he's saying. So, watch for your 2 things to check. Check your OES, because I believe he's going to say what email address that might come from, and then watch your emails. 5. Those who receive that email will have a unique link for them to register into victoryWithAsh. 6. The registration form is short, much simpler than the application. 7. We will give a specified short time for the registration for those top positions. Alright, let me read that again. We will give a specified short time for the registration for those top positions. 8. Even though they can access the platform, but we will enable the referral link all at once to be fair. A big question I've gotten in the last couple of days. Once you get into Victory, most everyone thinks that, well, that is not how it's gonna work. You're going to learn, you're going to educate yourself on what this is all about. Ash is going to give you that link, but you can't use it until he says go. Once again, Ash Mufara made it fair for everyone. As I said, I have to be fair about this. I want to be fair about this because I love everybody. He is not going to. You're not going to be able to release your main link until everyone is in their set and qualified. And then Ash will let us know. Alright, let it rip. I hope you guys all understand that. Because that's the big question I'm getting right now. Listen to this stuff now, and I want people to say this exact same thing I'm saying, or Susie or Red or whoever's going to do it, because it's from Ash Mufara. 9. Once the registrations are enabled, we will notify everyone to look for their preferred leaders to join the circle. What does that mean? I got 10 questions like that today. Hey Chris, I didn't get to fill out the application. Does that mean I'm done? No, not at all. You can still get into this. Now you have a choice to go under anyone you want, and I mean anyone. It could be someone that sponsored you, someone that signed you up. It could be someone that you know in your organization already, or your circle. That's perfectly fine. Everyone is still going to be able to get in this, even though you didn't fill out Survey 1, Survey 2, or the application form. It's okay. You are still going to have the same opportunity as everyone to get in. But he did pick first priority positions. That was what the application was for. But you're still going to get in. It's the same thing. Alright. And this is his last thing he said. We have prepared the whole process strategically. Everything is lined up accordingly, step by step. We will keep you informed every step of the way with clarity and simplicity. Okay, Same thing Red said. Same thing Susie just said. Same thing I just said.